With our current knowledge, we are ready to learn the following fact. We can distinguish two broad types of Java applications: standalone applications and server applications. Standalone applications. Roughly speaking, these are applications started directly by a human user, for example, from the console or an IDE, on a PC or laptop. Server applications. These are launched and managed by server software, for example, a web server or an application server. Why do we make this distinction at the very beginning of the Java course? Because we need to understand the following fact. A standalone Java application must provide a method named main. Without it, the Java virtual machine launcher does not know where to begin execution. When a human user starts a standalone Java application, Java virtual machine is looking for the signature public static void main arguments to begin compiling and executing the code. If JVM does not find this signature, startup will fail and an error message will be printed. To see this in action, let us run code that compiles but has no main method, something closer to a server-style class, and observe the error. Now you can see a standalone Java application that does not have the main method. Let us run the application by hitting the button Run. Now let us switch to the console and see the result. We can see an error message, main method not found in class main. Please define the main method as. And here we can see the signature, public static void main arguments.